Roadside assistance. Do we all know what roadside assistance is? Run out of gas, need a tow, need a jump, need a flat tire changed, lockout service. We're going to provide them 24/7 roadside assistance. Windshield repair, roadside assistance, cosmetic wheel repair, paintless dent repair, cosmetic wheel repair. Oh. Brett, have you ever lost a key fob? Did you pay to have it replaced?
I did not. Still,
Did you look into what it would cost to pay to have it replaced?
I did.
And you decided not to pay that, didn't you?
Exactly right.
You just took better care of your last key fob, didn't you?
That's right.
That's what most people do. Because they look into what it's going to cost and they say, screw that. I'll just take better care of my last key fob. However, that key fob is a mini computer. It has chips in it and it requires programming. It's also $400, $500, $300, $600 to replace. If you had two key fobs, your car would be worth more than it is right now. However, we're going to provide you key replacement, complimentary for the first 6 months, unlimited miles, and you're going to want to extend that coverage. Our finance guys will show you how to do that. All right, so what did I just do there? Did I just lower his expectations for his trade-in? And I just created value in the Motor Trend certified package of benefits, and I also set up the finance manager. That's how you do it.